For the purpose of this tutorial, you need a ruler, set square, French curve, the table chart with the measurements, which you're going to be able to download later, the instructions, and the calculator. I have chosen a size 12 with the measurements of bust 88 and waist 68. It's a line on the vertical from A to B. That will be the front height. From A to B for the size 12, the front height is 45. From A to B will be 45. A to B. From A to C, you need to use the set square to draw a line. From A to C, you're going to trace a line with the shoulder measurements. On the size 12 will be 19. A to C will be 19. From C, use the set square to draw a baseline. This will help you to find point F. For the size 12, the diagonal measurement is 45. You place your ruler on B and you go towards the baseline until you find F with 45. Draw a transversal line from B to F. This is F. To find E, you need to place your ruler on F. Find the measurements of the shoulder. For the size 12 is 12.7, and you go with your ruler towards the line A to C. 12.7. Draw a line from F to E. From D to E, use the French curve to trace your neckline. D to I is 1/3 of the center of the front. The center of the front was from B to D, 38. 38 divide by 3, 12.6. D to I is 12.6. With the set square, draw a line from I to J. This line will be the width of the front. So I to J is 23. I to J. E to P will be the bust height. Using the set square and the ruler, you need to find the P. K to P will be 10 and E to P 25. P is the meeting point of these two measurements. I to G will be the same measurements as I to K. I just measured, and this is 5 centimeters. From I to G will be 5. From G to H will be 17. G to H, 17. Using the set square, draw a line with 17. From K to P to Q, will be the total width of the front. For the size 12 will be 23.5. 23.5 kbq. J to L is 21.5. To find L, you place the ruler on the J, passing by Q, and draw a line with 21.5. So to J, 21.5. From B to M, use the K to P measurements minus 1.2. K to P is 10, minus 1.2 will be 8.8. So B to M will be 8.8. M. To find O, you need to measure between N and M. Be 8. So O will be 4. To find O, you need to measure between N and M. Be 8. So O will be 4. Join P to O, P to M, and P to N. Add 1 centimeter from O. Join O to N and O to M. Now you trace a line from O to L. Using the French ruler, join F to H to J, F, H, J. This is your armhole. To work with dart manipulation, you need to trace other lines. For example, from F to E, we have 13 centimeters. Half of that will be 6.5. And we'll draw a line until you meet the P, which is the base point. To trace the underline of the dart, you need to find the armhole measurements. That could be done with a flexible curve or with your tape measure. So you follow the line with your tape measure very carefully. So we have 19. We divide 19 by 2, it would be 9.5. So 9.5. Then you join this line to P. Draw a line, join D to P, and also a line roughly in the middle from E to D. From Q to L we have 16, then 8 will be the middle. Draw a line P. You will cut around and also make a little hole on the middle where P meets. This is the finished pattern block for the front top of a size 12.